Hello, my beautiful people. My name is Marina. Welcome to my Holiday Addict channel. And, well, I did it. I booked this mystery £99 holiday from Wowcher. So what do I think about it? All this video I will show you what hotel I got, where did I go, and how did it went. But before we begin, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, give me thumbs up. If you did not like this video, share this with your enemies and let them suffering by watching my video. Can you please leave me a little comment, because YouTube algorithms really like interactive videos. Leave me a smiley, leave me something what you think. Tell me if you like it, tell me if you dislike it, tell me if you ever used this holiday. Did you book it? Or maybe you thought about to book it and now you won't, or now you definitely will. Or just give me a thumbs up in the comments. Please watch this video to the end, because I will tell you exactly is it worth it or not. Was it a bargain, or would it a lot cheaper if I book it on its own? First of all, it's very easy to do. Wowcher Groupon does this. You just book it. The only thing is it's £99 per person, and you have to book minimum 2 people. So it's obviously you need to find a member of family or your friends to go with you. Otherwise, it's going to be quite expensive, £198 just for one person. Reveal your destination. So I'm pressing the button and see where I'm going. Waiting. So there you are. I'm going to Warsaw in Poland. They do giving you extra option. You can choose if you don't like destination. For £20 per person extra, you can choose a different destination. I think there was some place in France. I can't remember. There was another town they offer me, but I never been in Warsaw, so I decided to stick with it. Also, originally, when they send it to you, all your details, of course, they're giving you the worst flight possible. Funny enough, I have checked it, and originally they offered me a flight with Wizz Air, which was over £100 each, but it's fly in, I can't remember, I think it was Monday to Wednesday I was flying. So it's literally was Monday evening, and it come back 6 in the morning on Wednesday. So you only have one full day. Why did they do this? Because then they call you and they offer you upgrade. Basically, they offer me cheaper flights with Ryanair, which was only, I think, about £39. But it's fly 6 in the morning on Monday and coming back in the evening on Tuesday, which means I have almost full 3 days there. They call it upgrade, even though they offer you a lot cheaper tickets. But there is a trick to it. Originally, they asked me to pay £50 each extra. I said, no, I don't want it. Then they asked me to pay £30 extra. I said, no, I don't want it, please don't. But they just keep calling you almost every day, and they try to say to you that your flight is so bad, you're not going to have a lot of time. So eventually, we settled on £39 for 2 people extra to get the flights with Ryanair, and that I can spend full 3 days there, which was a bit sort of cheeky of them, because as I said to you, that Wizz Air was almost 3 times more expensive than Ryanair. Why they didn't offer you originally? Because they wanted you to upgrade your flight for sort of better option. Warsaw is a dynamic blend of old world charm and modern energy. It's Poland's capital and largest city with unique character shaped by the history, resilience and vibrant cultural scene. I have a whole video about my time in Warsaw, and I'll leave a link in description. Please check it out. So, what kind of hotel you will get with that deal? Well, this is my room, 319. So room itself, it's actually not bad. It's a bit basic, you know, but it's large room very hot. They need an air conditioner because it's really hot outside. So it looks like it's been very newly redecorated. And you know what very good thing about it? Look how many plugs. Plug here, plug by that bed, and 2 double plugs here and USB. I don't think I ever seen anywhere in a hotel like this. Normally you get 1 plug, that's why I even have multi-charger. And view, I've got view on the streets. You see, so it's not bad. There is a main road just there, and you can hear it when the window open. But I have to put up with it tonight because it's too hot if I close the window. But to be honest, I'm so tired, I don't think I even will hear it. And look, let's have a look at the bathroom. As you can see, bathroom is very modern, it's very clean, so I cannot fault hotel. The only one thing I can say about this hotel, it's very cheap, it's very clean, it's really nice, girls was alright on reception, but it's quite far. It's a 35 minutes walk, or you have to take public transport. So really, if you're on holiday here, you for only 2-3 nights, you want to be closer to all action. So I'd rather pay a little bit more, you know, if you stay here, not like I am for this deal, if you book it, but be more closer. Stay closer to the old town. So let's talk about money. I had a great holiday. I cannot fault it. Hotel was good, a bit far from center, but it was alright. So you can take public transport, you can walk. So I have nothing to say bad about the hotel. But what about money? Is it actually worth to buy this mystery holiday? If you ever bought this holiday and you end up with Maldives or Dubai or something like that. So let's say if you decide to go to Warsaw on your own, I actually searched for exactly the same date. So if I wanted to book this hotel myself, it would cost me £107 for 2 people for 2 nights. And the flight was £70.90, I think, for 2 people for exactly the same date. So it's actually £20 cheaper if you book yourself than you buy this mystery holiday, because it not only was £99 each, which is £20 cheaper, but we also pay £38 extra for upgrade. So basically we paid £60 more than if we booked this holiday ourselves. So if you want to have funny experience, if you want just to see what you can get, or maybe you end up somewhere, I don't know, maybe in Spain, Balearic Islands, where the flight is quite expensive, or if you go to Dubai, if you will be so lucky, then yes, it's really worth it. But if you go to expensive country, like France, the hotels, they're quite expensive, or maybe you end up somewhere in Scandinavia. But if you end up with a place like I chose, Warsaw, it actually costs more money to have this surprise holiday than if I book it on my own. But let me know in your comments. Did you had it? What do you think? Would you actually do this in the first place? Thank you for watching, and I see you next time.